In a world where technology is constantly evolving and changing, we at AYRUS believe in providing exceptional security through our services and solutions. Let us introduce our 4G Mobile Emergency Command Control System. It is made from magnesium alloy material. This makes the mobile Dome PTZ Camera anti-seismic, anti-shock, and anti-corrosion. It comes with a Dome PTZ Camera, a composite cable, an 812.6 volts 3 amp charger, a 1 meter cable, a tripod or shock absorbing seat, warranty cards, and a protective suitcase. The kit is quick and easy to install. Using the latest design technology, the camera can effectively prevent fogging. It also comes with high-performance infrared light and its exposure is up to 50 meters. It supports 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, and GPS with reliable high-quality video transmission. It is applicable for police surveillance, highway monitoring, urban management, law enforcement vehicles, firefighting truck, secondary planet communication, directorial vehicle, train, and other special vehicle monitoring top mounting. AYRUS, global brand in advanced security solutions.